Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Wednesday. It marks another trading day of the week. So, before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, we have ADP non-farm employment change at 12:15 Ghana time. And looking at the fundamentals, we are expecting negative news at 1:45. At 1:45, we have final service PMI, and we are expecting neutral. At 2 p.m., we have ISM service PMI, and we are expecting positive. So these are the fundamentals we have ahead of us today. So let's go back to the chart. Yesterday was crazy. Like super, super, super crazy. As we were expecting a buy, a push from the third zone, but it got broken to this one. Like gold was crazy yesterday, honestly. Gold was crazy. Okay, so let me clear this chart. And first of all, daily time frame. Okay. Hmm. Yesterday, those of you who followed the outlook, I told you that due to the fact that it is a new month, gold can do whatever it wants to do. But it needs to adjust itself. So you can see, okay, yeah. So you can see that there was a push on Monday to the upside, which we were expecting a continuation push to the upside. But yesterday, there was another push to the downside. Okay. So it's like the market is in a range, right? The market is trading in a range bound just here. Okay. So what is likely to happen today? That's our focus. All right. So if you look at it very well, you can also get something like, no, 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 I don't like this one. Can actually get this one. Can connect this two touches. Yeah, this one works better than the first one. Okay, so we have two touches. When they come to H4, okay. All right, so guys, when they come to H4, this is what is happening. And you can see that, like I was saying, gold is in a range. Gold is trading in a range right here. Okay. So for date for swing traders, you will have to stay away from the markets until this range is broken. Right. And as you can see, the market has been up and down, up and down, up and down. And yesterday it formed a double bottom right here. Okay. On the trend line double bottom, also on the zone. So what can happen today? So looking at what is happening right now, there can be a pullback. Okay. There can be a pullback like this for gold to push up back to the resistance zone again, due to the fact that it is trading in a range, right? So there can be a pullback for another push to the upside to the resistance zone. So the market will be is trading within this zone until breakout. Okay, it will be ranging until finally it will break out. So that is what I personally see. What we need to do is to exercise patience and allow the market comes back to the trend line and the zone, then we can push it to the upside. All right. Yeah. So H1, what is happening? Okay. So if you look at H1, this is what is happening. And yes, still the same thing. Now you can see that yesterday, the market took away this level. You see, it broke this level already, but there was another push to the upside, closing above. And the reason was that because the H4 candle had not closed yet. So H1, H4 still closed inside. And now you see a bullish engulfing. He had a bullish engulfing. That was a sign for a push or a bullish momentum. As you are seeing, the market is still pushing up. So what is likely to happen in H1? So according to H1, now I'm still expecting a pullback. Okay. Still expecting like a pullback here for the push to happen. If not, if it doesn't happen, what can we do? If the pullback doesn't happen, what are we going to do? Now you can see we have an order block right here. Okay. Yeah. So if the market fails to come back to this zone, the trend line, it can do something like this and push up. Okay. So these are my two scenarios. That is what I see actually. The only way we will be selling is if it breaks the trend line like this, then can go. But I will allow it to close below 23.19. If a candle closes below 23.19, then I will consider selling. Okay. So right now, I'm expecting the pullback to happen at this zone for it to come back here and then push up again. Okay. So something like this is what I am expecting. But like I always say, the market does what it wants to do. So if that is not going to happen, fine. We still wait and trade what we are going to see. Okay. So guys, all we need to do is to exercise patience, sit back, watch, and trade what is going to happen. So during New York, I'm not going to be available for London session. So I will try my best to be with you guys during New York session. By then, we will see what actually is going to happen. All right. If it comes back here, can take the buy, or whatever it will do, we are still going to get something to trade today. Okay. Yeah. So 30 minutes, what is happening? And if you look at 30 minutes, you can see that we got a nice double bottom formation with a strong bullish engulfing with this even a morning star. Strong morning star 30 minutes. That was a confirmation for a buy. And as you can see, it has been buying nicely. So, like I was saying, a sell can happen from here. Okay. The market can start selling from here, back to the zone, but I'm not interested in selling. I'm not even available because I'm going somewhere in some few minutes. So when I come back, I will see what the market wants to do. Then we all trade together. All right. So until then, just sit back, relax, allow the market to do all it wants to do. Once we get the opportunity, can go into it and pick some trades. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you comment on the video, like and share. And if you haven't joined the Telegram community too, the link is in the description. If you are watching from TikTok, the link is in the bio. All right. This is Pipanta here, and the people must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It's only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. So until then, I will see you in another video and have a nice day.